morning, children. How are you, children? I hope all of you are fine. So children, I am Bulbul Sengupta, your maths teacher. Today I am going to start with a beautiful thought. Today's thought is, the time is always right to do what is right. I repeat the thought. The time is always right to do what is right. So with this beautiful thought, I am going to continue my next session. The topic is division orally. How you will do division orally. Topic is division, divide orally. It is unit number 4 and children, in class 3 you have learned dividing a number by 10 orally. In class 3 you have learned dividing a number by 10 orally. For example, 459 divided by 10. You have learned how to divide a number with the 10 by a 10. Here all of you see, when a number is divided by 10, the quotient is, here 10 is having 1 0. 10 is having 1 0. It is having 1 0. So the quotient is obtained by removing the first digit from the right. This is the digit 459. So you will obtain the quotient of this division by removing the first digit from the right, because here how many zeros 0 is there in 10? 1 0. So I will remove this first digit of 459 from the right. I am removing it. So this is 45 is the quotient. 45 is the quotient, and this removed digit, it is considered as a remainder. So you can write orally that quotient is 45 and remainder is 9. Correct? Now, similarly, in class 3, you have learned how to divide a number by 10. Simple. How many digits are there in 10? How many zeros? 1 0. So I will remove one digit from the right side of the number, and the digit that is left over, that is quotient, and the removed digit is considered as a remainder. Now let us move forward. In the same way, we can divide orally. We can divide what? 6, 9, 2, 6 divided by 100. All of you see, in 100 how many zeros are there? 2 zeros, right? So here I will remove the 2 digits from the right side of the number. Here the number is 6926. So when I am going to divide with 100, 100 is having 2 0. Orally, how I will divide it? 2 zeros are there, so I will remove 2 digits from the right side of the number 1, 2. So these 2 digits are removed. Okay. Now the leftover, the remaining, the digit that is remained, that is 6 and 9. This is a quotient. So quotient is obtained by removing first 2 digits from the right side. First 2 digit is 6 and 2. So I will remove it, and then the digit that is remained, that is 6 and 9, it is quotient. Okay. So quotient is 69. And what about the remainder? Remainder is the digit that is removed. This removed digit, that is 26. 26 is the remainder. Correct? Now let us clarify with the another example. Here let us take another example to understand this nicely. 8, 5, 1, 3. 2 divided by 100. What is the number? 85,132. It is divided by 100. So how many zeros are there in 100? 2 zeros. Right? So how the quotient will be obtained? Quotient is obtained by removing the 2 digit from the right side of the number. Here the 2 digit from the right side is start from here. This one. Right? So the quotient is, this is the quotient, 851. Quotient is 851 and the remainder is this removed digits, that is remainder is 32. Understood? Now again I am taking another example. So here are a few see. 2, 3, 2. 1 divided by 100. 2321 divided by 100. So how many zeros are there in 100? 2 zeros. So how I will obtain the quotient? By removing the 2 digits from the right side of the number. Here number is 2321. This is the right side, this is the left side. So I will remove the 2 digits from the right side. I am going right side from 1, 2, 2. 1, 2. 2 digits I will remove. This is blocked. So remaining these 2 digits, 23, it is quotient. Right? So quotient is 23 and the removed digit, the digits which is removed, that is after division, this 21 is remainder. Correct? Now let us, I am showing it, let us check it by the proper method of division. This thing is, we have done that quotient is 23 and remainder is 21. Let us check it. So I am going to divide 2321 by 100. First I will start from 2002. 2 is less than 100, so I will multiply with 0. 0 times of 100 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. Now I will put down this 300. It is now becomes 2300. 23 is also less than 100, so I will multiply with 0 at 100's place. 0 times of 100 is 0. Now 23 minus 0 is 23. Now I will put down these 2 tens along with 23. Now it becomes 232 tens. So 232 is more than 232 tens will be divided by 100. Here 232 is more than 100. So let's start the multiplication table. 2 times of 100 is 200. Because 3 times of 100 is 300. 300 is more than 232. But 2 times of 100 is 200. We can subtract it. So 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 0 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now let's write down, put down last digit, that is 1 ones. So now digit becomes 321. So here I will multiply with 3 at one's place. 3 times of 100 is 300. So after subtraction, what do we get? 1 minus 0 is 1, 2 minus 0 is 2, 3 minus 3 is 0. So here this C, this is the remainder and the quotient is 23. See, same. So this division is, this one is done orally and this one is done. I have used the proper method of division. Now let's, children, move ahead. So let us start with divide orally by 1000. Correct? So here all of you see that. Let us take an example. 98217 divided by 1000. So here, children, what I have told you, when we are dividing by thousands, tens or hundreds, we will count the number of zeros. In thousands, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So I will remove 3 digits from the right side of the number. Here the number is 98,217 and this is the right side, this is the left side. So from right side I will start to remove, start from 7, 7, 1 and 2. 3 digits, so I will block these 3 digits. Now remaining this digit 8 and 9, that is 98. So this 98 is the quotient. Quotient is 98 and the remainder is the remaining, the removed digit, the digits that I have removed, that is 217. Correct? The digits that are removed is considered as remainder and the leftover digits is taken as a quotient. Now let us clarify with further example. Now let us take another example. 217 divided by 1000, 1000, right? 217 is divided by 1000, correct? So here all of you see, we have to divide orally, no proper method. So how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3 zeros, okay? So while doing the division, I will remove 3 digits from the right side of this number 217. So I start from the right side 1, 2, 3. So 3 digits are removed. Okay. So no other digits are remained. Oh, okay. So in that case, nothing is remained. It means something is absent. So in that case, quotient is 0. Right? And the remainder, the removed digits, here the 3 digits are removed. So remainder is 270. Again I am clarifying it with the help of another example. Let us take another example. 172 divided by 1000. 172 is divided by 1000. Here when we are dividing with 1000, 1000 is having 3 digit zeros. Okay. During the division, what I will do, I will remove the 3 digits from the right side of the number. Here the number is 172. I will start from the right side of the digit. I will start from 2, 7 and 1. So 3 digits are removed because I am dividing by the 1000, which is having the 3 zeros. So 3 zeros, so I will be removing 3 digits. Now here, nothing is there. This place is vacant. Something is absent. In that case, what will be the quotient? Quotient, when the place is vacant, it means quotient is 0. And the remainder is these removed 3 digits. Remainder is 172. Understood, children? Now, let us take another example. Seven, 3, 1, 2, 9. 73,129 divided by 1000. So here children, all of you see that how many zeros are there in 1000? 3 zeros. Okay. When we are doing dividing orally, then we can divide orally. So here 3 zeros. I am removing the 3 digits from the right side. This is the right side. So I am removing starting from 9, 2, 1. 3 digits are there. These 3 digits are blocked. Okay. The remaining these 2 digits, that is 73. It is quotient. And the remainder is, this one is remainder. Removed digit. Remainder is 129. Correct? Now let us check it. How many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits, 5 place value. 10 thousands, thousands, 100, tens, 1. So 73,129. So I am going to divide with 1000. 1000. Right? Now I will start from the extreme left side, the greatest place value 70,000. Here 70,000 will be divided by 1000. But 7 is less than 1000, so I will start with multiplying with 0 at that 10,000 place. 0 times of 1000 is 0, so 7 minus 0 is 7. Now I will put down this 3 along with 7. Now it becomes 73. What is the value? 73,000. Now here we have to divide 73,000 by 1000. Okay. 73 is less than 1000, so I will again divide, multiply with 0 at the 1000 place. So 0 times of 10,000 is 0. So I will do the subtraction. 3 minus 0 is 3, 7 minus 0 is 7. Now I will put down this 1. Okay, 1. So it becomes 731 what? Hundreds. So 731 hundreds will be divided by thousands. Here all of you see 731 is less than 1000. So again at the hundreds place I will multiply by 0. 0 times of 1000 is 0. So I will do the subtraction. 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 minus 0 is 3. 7 minus 0 is 7. Now I will put down this 2. Now it becomes 7,312. And what is the value? 7,312 tens. So 7,312 tens will be divided by 1000. Here 7,312 is more than 1000. So I will come to the table. 7 times of 1000 is 7,000. Correct? Now I will do the subtraction. 7,312 will be subtracted with 7,000. Now it gives 2 minus 0 is 2, 1 minus 0 is 1, 3 minus 0 is 3, 7 minus 0 is 7. Now I will put down this 9 here. Now it becomes 3,129 ones. Now this 3,129 ones is divided by 1000, and 3,129 is more than 1000, so I will start the multiplication table, multiply by 3 at ones place. So 3 times of 1000 is 3000. Correct? Now I will do the subtraction. 9 minus 0 is 9, 2 minus 0 is 2, 1 minus 0 is 1, 3 minus 0 is 3. So all of you see, same. The remainder is 129 and the quotient is 73. Similarly, we have done orally, this is quotient and this is remainder, right? So this is the method, but when you are asked to do orally, you have to write down the direct quotient and remainder of the division. Okay, now let us come to the point. Let us go to the worksheet. It is worksheet number 5. Come to the point. Worksheet number 5, unit number 1. Right? So here you have to complete the table. Question is complete the table. Right? Complete the table is question. So here the table is made. This is quotient and this is remainder. Right? Now here first one is 7,321 is divided by 10. How we will find the quotient and remainder? I have told you that in 10 there is 1 0. So I will remove one digit from the right side, 1. So this 732 is the quotient and this removed digit 1 is the remainder. Now come to the another question. 19,827 is divided by 100. So in 100 all of you see that how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So I will remove 2 digits from the right side of the digit, that is 27. So what is left? 198. 198 is the quotient and this removed digit 27 is the remainder. Now come to the another example. Now let us take another example. 47,321 is divided by 1000. Okay, minded children? 1000. How many zeros are there in 1000? 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So I will remove 3 digits from the right side of the number. Here the number is 47,321. Correct? So I am going to remove the 3 digits start from 1, right side. 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So how many digits? 3 digits. So I am removing these 3 digits. So the leftover the digits, that is 47, is the quotient, and the removed the digits which are removed 321, it is the remainder. Correct? Now let us take another example. 98,271 divided by 10. So here all of you see children, 10 is having how many 0? 1. So I will remove only one digit. This is 1 0. So I will remove one digit from the right side of the number. So one digit I am removing this one. So how many digits are left? 9,827. 9,827. This leftover digit, that is 9,827, is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. Okay. Now let us take another example. So another example is 9,827 divided by 1,000. So here children, how many zeros are there in 1,000? 3 zeros. So I am going to remove 3 digits, count from the right side of the number, 1, 2, 3. So I am going to remove it. Okay. Only how many digits are left? 1, that is 9. This remaining digit is a quotient, and the removed digit, that is 827, is the remainder. Correct? Now let us take another example. 943 divided by 1,000. Right? So here children, in 1,000, 3 zeros. So I am going to remove 3 digits from the number 943. So 1, 2, 3. So I am going to remove these 3 digits. Right? So how many digits are left? Nothing is there. Space is vacant. So the quotient is here for the vacant place. Space is vacant, nothing is there. So when the space is vacant, what is this? So space is vacant, it means nothing is there, it means quotient is 0. And the removed 3 digits, 943, that is 943. 943 is the remainder. Correct? Now let us take another example. 47 divided by 100. Here children, all of you see, in 100, how many digits are there? 2 digits. So, how many digits I will remove from the right side of the digit? 2 digits, 1 and 2. So, I am going to remove it. So, how many digits are left? Nothing is there. It means, what is this? Which digit will be I will use as a quotient? Nothing is there, remained as a quotient. So, here, when nothing is remained as a quotient, in that case, quotient is 0. And the removed digit, that is 47. 47 is the remainder. So in this way children, you have to complete the table, worksheet number 5 of unit number 4. It is unit number 4, worksheet number 5. So in unit number 4, worksheet number 5, you have to complete the table, and you have to do as a classwork from A to E, and the rest of the question is as a homework. So hope children you have understood that how to divide orally by 10, by 100, by 1000, and then so on and so on. The same method will be applied. So if you have any kind of queries, any problems, then till then, bye bye. If you have any problem, then you can contact me in my WhatsApp. So till then, bye bye, have a nice day.